United Architects of the Philippines, Cebu Chapter, Raha Humagon Chapter, Dato Lapu-Lapu Chapter, Subo Chapter, and Pacific Paint.
Today, we gather to celebrate the generosity and support of our valued stakeholders. Your donations are more than just gifts. They are investments.
On behalf of our organization, the United Architects of the Philippines, we are honored to take part on today's formal turnover ceremony. KP Cebu, Raja Humagon, Subo, and the Dato Lapu-Lapu chapters, we believe of the power of collective support. And with that, the importance of uplifting our local communities.
It is something that we cannot afford to buy this one, honestly. So, thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. Thank you so much.
So, I hope dili namin magkaroon lang ma-sustain nato ang inyong program. Thank you for your donation and thank you for choosing Tangke Elementary School. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you, Past President.